With Airbus in the running with the A350 and A380, and Boeing with its 787-9 Dreamliner that's expected to put on a great performance, there is another who can smile on the tarmac at Le Bourget, and his name is Eric Trappier. The big boss of Dassault Aviation is still on cloud 9 after signing the first sales contracts for the new Rafale with Egypt and Qatar, and with talks looking promising with India. Eric Trappier hopes that other purchase commitments will be added to the 84 firm orders. With more than 1/3 of total orders coming from abroad, the Rafale has soared into a market of combat planes estimated at more than $226 billion. And it's not over, since countries like Canada, Kuwait, Finland and many others want to renew their fleets of fighter jets. The Belgian Air Force, for example, is looking to replace their old F-16s and have shown a key interest in the Dassault aircraft. Another star of Dassault is the 8X, the latest addition to the Falcon range. With a maximum range of 11,945 kilometers, this ultra-long-haul aircraft can fly Paris to Hong Kong or Los Angeles to Beijing non-stop. According to Dassault Aviation, the Falcon 8X perpetuates Falcon tradition in terms of performance, flexibility, comfort and operating costs. After its first flight on February 6, 2015, this aircraft was presented live and in action at the Paris Air Show. Its entry into service is scheduled for the end of 2016.